guys, today I am back with another YouTube ASMR. I have another channel with my ASMR. Well, I think I do. But anywho, it's a butter slime. We're doing ASMR. It's kind of like not sticky a little bit, kind of. I haven't played this in a long time, so I'm gonna have to put in some lotion. So wait here, okay? Happy Christmas, we already have our presents. It's Christmas Day. Okay, I'm kidding, it's not. Happy, Merry Christmas, guys. Comment down below if you celebrate Christmas or if you live in the United States of America. And if you play with slime, comment down below if you like this slime. Hashtag teal slime. Hashtag teal slime. Hashtag teal slime. There we go. Starting to get a little bit sticky, but that's okay. If this gets too sticky, I'm not gonna have to. I can't be playing with this because it's gonna be like, too sticky. So wait, it's supposed to be ASMR. This has gone wrong. I smelled it twice. Oh my god. Don't judge the TV. It's really buttery. Like this. Oh, this is a cloud slime. That kind of was almost a fail. This is kind of a fail. I'm sitting down on my chair, my big chair. Yes, is this carpet? Just comment down below. Hashtag carpet squad. And then if you think it's hard floor, comment down below. Hashtag hard floor squad, okay? For us. And comment down below if you have slimes. Hashtag. Then put a jump. What? Then put a. Let's see here. A blue heart, okay? And if you don't, then do a pink or red heart. Anyways. You guys see something? No, I saw nothing. And make sure to follow us on Ava. Oh, that was nothing. Okay, just give my hi, Sissa. I'm not muting to this. She kids all the time. She's always kidding. She talks about violence all the time. This will become an ASMR right now.
With Lego Disney Princess, you can dream big, build bigger, and create your own castle. The combinations are endless. It's all up to you. Lego Disney Princess, where dreams are built. Each set sold separately.
I hate commercials. I wish it was like quiet completely. But comment down below if you have a TV on the wall. Hashtag TV squad. TV on the hashtag TV on the wall. And if you don't, just say hashtag TV Squad. So, and you can also make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, give us a huge thumbs, and give us a huge thumbs up. Here's my best. So I'm gonna try and make a donut. So I need to close into a circle. This isn't sticky at all anymore, see? It doesn't taste so good. Let's try the one. Oh. This video, I know this video has been kind of long because it's been going on for like 6 minutes. Okay, now then you want to just go through, and I'll be now making how to do gymnastics, like how to use gymnastics moves that you can't do. But some of them will be able to have to do like some gymnastics moves that you won't be able to do. Okay,
So if you're not angry, I
let's
can't
flatten
walk.
this
Who
up.
angry as a kid at school? He's gonna wish he'd never been born. Whoa! You can't just go to school and beat up kids you don't like. And we resort to violence, we're no better than beasts. Like wolves or bears or eagles. Which are actually pretty rad animals. But do you know what these awesome animals would say about this? They would say... Which probably means violence is not the answer. But no, you're gonna patch things up with this pest with the help
Okay.
of Big Brother. Okay, first I want you to learn what it means to hurt someone. I'm the one. No arguing. You want to use violence? But first you need to understand how it makes people feel.
Hey guys, what's up?
Guys, you don't understand. Do it.
I'm gonna try and make a mask.
I'm so sorry. Isn't there a better solution to our problem?
I had to flatten this way so much, like my face. My face is technically not like this, but
As an innocent bystander, I felt unjustly hurt. The violence is a vicious circle. See what happens when you let yourself be an instrument of violence? Everyone gets hurt. You
I can breathe,
I'm only getting picked on.
but I can't see it. I can see. I have my nose.
No, this is just posturing. Yeah, but I thought you might bite it for a bit. Let's just try to find an actual solution. Okay, I printed off a list of solutions for dealing with pests from the experts on Elmopedia. Who wrote it?
Anyways,
What page did it
I'll be ending this video here. I hope you guys like, subscribe, turn notifications up, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.